This is how you make basic biscuit dough. Add cinnamon powder, add salt, sugar, mix well, add an egg and mix well. Add butter or margarine, bind in well to make a dough. Everything now is set, as you can see, is ready. Next is how to shape it. You can use your own cutters, but here I'm going to use today mooncake mold. First, you roll the dough into small equal size balls. This is mooncake mold. It's so easy to use. You decide the design you like and then you put it on, and there you go. You just push it down and then the shapes is made. Let's make another design. Time to bake. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.